It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 25th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather cool and dry today, a nice weekend warm-up, and it looks like another very dynamic system could blow in here by the middle of next week. Maybe more strong to severe storms. Let's dive in and talk about it. Big upper trough over the eastern U.S. Boy, that thing has stirred up a fuss over the past few days with wild weather, everything from severe storms, tornadoes, and blizzard conditions for the eastern part of the United States. But that thing is finally moving offshore, the most of the really active weather. Starting off the day in the 30s and low 40s, Cullman 35, Birmingham at 40. We'll expect a high in the low to mid 50s in most spots today. And around the nation, nothing brutally cold. The really cold air is locked up in eastern Canada for now. Still got winter storm warnings for parts of Michigan and Indiana, but that storm is winding down for them. And much of the country will be quiet today, and really not much rain for the next 5 days. Now, this is through Tuesday morning of next week. Barely enough to measure. And the latest guidance coming in with that front Monday still looking very puny with rain amounts. Rain, if any, Monday should be light and spotty, as you'll see. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at noon, troughing over the east. Still got some backwash snow and light rain down into Tennessee, and maybe a few sprinkles for northeast Alabama today. But for most of you, the day will be cool and dry. We'll call it partly sunny, and again, low to mid 50s this afternoon. That's below average for this time of the year. Tomorrow, we start the day near the freezing mark. The high will be in the middle 50s. And Saturday, again, a chilly morning with low to mid 30s, but the high Saturday afternoon should be around 60, and it should be hard to find a cloud in the sky. Sunday, the warming trend continues. We'll see mid 60s. The GFS is printing a high of 66. Beautiful day. And again, Monday, here comes that front, but there's no upper support. There's hardly any moisture, so some clouds and maybe a few sprinkles, but really, at this point, looks like nothing beyond that. And then this is Tuesday. We warm up nicely. The front dissipates. The high should be around 70. And everybody sees that deep surface low that's northwest of Oklahoma City, well under 1,000 millibars. And if that verifies, that'll bring blizzard conditions, maybe to Goodland, Kansas, and parts of Nebraska, northeast Colorado, and a chance of severe storms over east Oklahoma and east Texas, east of Interstate 35. Wednesday of next week, March 2nd. Oh, boy. Yeah, the trough goes negative tilt. Deep surface low south of Chicago. And that would suggest a chance of strong to severe storms down here. And understand, this is 6 days away. There's nobody can tell you the specific timing, the details. All we can say now is that there certainly looks like a chance of severe weather somewhere in that Tuesday night, Wednesday time frame. European, pretty similar. In fact, it's got the surface low farther south, down toward Nashville. So both global models are on board for another round of strong to severe storms by the middle of next week. Again, just something to watch. We can't be more specific than that for now. And then Thursday of next week, a week from today, March 3rd, that thing is lifted out. And it really looks like the system we just dealt with to some degree at this point. This is the end of the forecast, Saturday, March 5th. Zonal flow. Little weak front tries to creep in here, but that looks pretty quiet. Arctic oscillation. Still kind of hugging the neutral line, and the same thing for the NAO. And if that verifies, then just maybe we'll stay mild for a while. And sure enough, on the GEFS ensemble, the numbers reflect that, with highs mostly in the 60s and lows mostly in the 40s into the middle part of March. But I still think we have some good cold snaps ahead. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.